Namaste students. Now this problem is SI unit of permittivity. Now again based on Coulomb's law, permittivity is nothing but your epsilon naught. So you know the formula F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r square. That is Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion. Now here you want to know the unit of this permittivity epsilon naught. So what we will do, we will bring this epsilon naught here, f you bring it down. So epsilon naught equal to 1 by 4 pi f into q1 q2 by r square. Now anyway this is constant, so we have q1 q2, that is charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb, so coulomb into coulomb, that is coulomb square, and force is Newton, then the distance is meter square. Now further if I rearrange, coulomb square per Newton per meter square. So this is the option. So coulomb square per Newton and per meter square. You just check here. Here we can write meter square. So coulomb square per meter square per Newton. So this is the answer. So one more problem we have here based on Coulomb's law. Each of 2 point charges are doubled and their distance is halved. So force of interaction becomes n times in what is that n. So initially we have charge, that is force is equal to constant k, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r square. Let us say this is your first equation. Then second, each of 2 point charges are doubled. So the new force constant remains as it is. When it is double, it will become 2q1 into 2q2 and the distance is becoming half. So here it will become r by 2, half of the original distance. So f dash is equal to k into 2 to the 4 times of q1 q2 whole divided by r square by 4. When you bring this 4 to the numerator here, then it will become f dash is equal to k into 4 4 is a 16 into q1 q2 by r square. q1 q2 by r square. Now further, if I rearrange, it is 16 into k into q1 q2 by r square. So which is nothing but your original force, that is the first force here. Now if I substitute here, f dash is becoming 16 times of the original force. So the option D is the right answer here. So 16 is the right answer. Thank you.